morning, good morning. Just gonna show all the hyacinths flowering inside the house. The sun is poking through. It was actually almost snowing this morning. It was a slit. And it was very dark. So now I'm thankful that the sun is out. And I'm gonna do a quick gardening before I go to work today. But first of all, we're just gonna show some of the hyacinths that's flowering. I still have to put the curtains in this side. I've been so busy, just got no chance to do it, but hopefully I can do it tomorrow. Like, look at that. That is so beautiful and it smells so nice. And we got one here. We had a party last Saturday. It was a birthday party of our boss. That one is in there. Look how gorgeous is this. This is like the blue and the stripe stripe crocus. That is so beautiful. That is so beautiful. And this one, that one, I think my favorite is the dark. This is the very, very bright pink. But we got yellow as well. That's popping up. I just planted it in one of the tin because I'm trying to recycle as much as I can. So we don't end up all in the rubbish bin. But it's so pretty. Look at that. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And it smells so nice. Lots and lots of hyacinths in the place now. Right. Beautiful.